this is our data tracking sheet that I use for all my RTI students. So what I do is I type in their names here, and then I type in their goals. So let's say, and this is kind of like a coded thing. Let's say I have student X, C, V, B, and their goal is to produce S word level. You know, it's just kind of my own code. And then what I do is I print this out on a clipboard and it goes everywhere with me. And I type in, or I write in pencil how they do, my little pluses and minuses, circle if I use cues, that kind of thing. And then I do it for week 2, week 4, week 6, week 8, and week 10. Then I might make notes if they met their goal, if they're going to continue. You know, this is kind of scribbled all over by the end of 10 weeks. And then I keep data for each individual student in little tabs here. So as an example, I did student 1. So what I would do is I would put in their name here, where it says name, I type in their name, and then I put their goal up top, and then I put in the date. So these have little boxes that you can put in the date, so you don't have to write it. And then let's say their goal is 4 out of 5 trials, so I'll write 4 for every date. And then this is where I transfer the progress made from this sheet. And so I can see that after 2, 4, 6, after 8 weeks, this person was able to get 1 out of 5 S's correctly, then they got 2, then they got 3, then they got 4. And then I can even graph it for some of those people who like to see things graphed and that they have met their goal. And that, let's say they made this goal for cycle 1, yay, but this child needs to produce S at the sentence level. So then what I may do, or they got S now, and for this example, I decided to put for cycle 2, I was going to work on CH and SH at the word level. And then you can keep, under one student, you can keep these little charts going. So all the data is in one spot. You can always graph a data. All you have to graph something, all you have to do is just highlight your data, click on this little chart, pick the chart you want. So let's say this chart I like this chart, to be honest. You insert it, double click here, you can change the title to whatever you want, and you can change the legend to whatever you want. So if you need a quick data chart, you have that. And then let's say you have more than one student on your caseload. All you have to do is you can duplicate this. This is student 2. You would rename it to student 2. And then you would, of course, adjust, take out all this kind of stuff and adjust, put in their individual goal and things like that. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, of course, just head over to Speech Therapy Talk, shoot us an email, or contact us on the website. Thanks. Have a good day.